students, welcome to online biology class, and today's class is going to be continuation of the topic microorganisms. In the last class we already discussed about the types of microorganisms we discussed, and also we discussed about that these microorganisms are beneficial and it gives protection. And also we discussed about that the microorganisms are friendly with us or not. And also we discussed these microorganisms are going to be increase the soil fertility also we discussed. For the increase of this soil fertility, we discussed about that the two bacteria. What are the two bacteria? Agarobacteria and Rhizobium. Agarobacteria and Rhizobium. About these we already discussed in the last session, and also we discussed about that the making of curd and bread with the help of microorganisms also we discussed. Making of curd. How the curd is going to be made? With the help of lactobacillus. With the help of lactobacillus, the milk is going to be turned into curd. Yes, right? Yes. About these we already discussed in the last session, and today's session we are going to be see that the microorganisms means the yeast is going to be making of curd we already discussed, and with the help of yeast we are going to be prepared the bread. That will be yeast is useful or not. In this session we are going to be see with the help of one activity. Yes. Activity. Take yeast powder, maida, sugar, water and bowl. These are the materials. Yes. Take a bowl and add half kg of maida. Now I added maida, and after add half kg sugar, half kg sugar. Now I added sugar. After that add 2 spoons of yeast powder. 2 spoons of yeast powder. Now I added the yeast powder. Yes. Now pour the water. Prepare this mixture as a dal. Prepare this mixture as a chapati dal. Okay. Mixed it and make it as a round and kept it aside. Just you should do one thing. Measure the size of this content ball. You should measure it and kept it aside. After 3 to 4 hours, the size of the batter increases and it becomes soft, and it becomes soft and fluffy. When you touch it, your fingers will go to inside. That much softness you may get. How this softness came? When you prepared this batter, is too soft? No, it is hard. How it turned into that much soft, and the batter also will be tasty. How the taste it will come? We will see now. Here we added the yeast powder. Yeast is a fungi microorganism. Yeast is a fungi microorganism, and this yeast is going to be perform the function of fermentation. We already discussed, children, what we discussed in the last class. The fermentation process, it is going to be produce the CO2 gas. CO2 gas, no? It is going to be produce the CO2 gas. This CO2 air bubbles will be formed, and this mixture is going to be, the air gas bubbles will be formed by the production of yeast, by adding the yeast. In these air bubbles, the batter is going to be filled it, and the dough and the batter is also going to be increases their size because of the CO2 gas molecules. To perform these gas molecules, the fermentation process going to be occur. And next, when you did this, the batter size increases. That's why when you heated that at certain temperature, the batter of the bread is going to be increased, and you get the fluffiness of the bread. Here the microorganism is useful, yes, and it's giving the taste to the food, no? Yes, that's why I told to you the microorganisms, the yeast powder is giving the, adding the taste to the food, and it is increase the area of the food content also. It is going to be increased. And next, one more thing, I am discussing about the fermentation. Who discovered that fermentation? Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur discovered the fermentation process. He only known that the microorganism yeast we can add in any food items. It can be helpful for the production of more, increases the area. And these microorganisms are also useful in commercial purpose only. Commercial purpose means they can be get more money. In the last session we already discussed about that how we can get the more money. And next, these commercial microorganisms are more useful for the preparation of alcohol, beer, in the preparation of alcohol and the beer. When we are adding the grape juices or any fruit juices, when you added some amount of yeast powder and along with the sugar, after 3 to 4 days, when you observe it, the liquid, the fruit liquid is going to be smelled like a alcohol only, and the area content of the size of the liquid also will be increased because of this CO2 gas molecules and the fermentation process. Yes, this is about today's lesson, children. Today we discussed about that the making of curd and the yeast powder is how it is going to be helpful for the food, and in the production of bread, making bread items in bakeries, we discussed, and the fermentation process we discussed. And who discovered the fermentation process? Louis Pasteur we discussed. And next with the help of one activity we discussed the fermentation process, and commercial microorganisms also we discussed in this session. And tomorrow's session we are going to be discussed about the medicinal use of microorganisms. And next I told you that the fermentation process, how this alcohol smell is coming, that the guess you should guess it, how the alcohol smell will become and how it will be fermented, the fruit juices when they are preparing the wine with the help of one activity. Tomorrow's session we are going to be continued, and today's session completed. Thank you, children. Yes, children, I told you, one activity I will tell to you. That activity I am going to be continue this. Yes. Activity is fermentation. What are the materials you needed now? Bottles, fruit juice, water, and yeast powder, sugar. That's it. Now you should take one bottle filled half with water. To this add sugar. After adding sugar, you should stir it with water. After stirring, you should do one thing. Add 2 spoons of yeast powder. You should add 2 spoons of yeast powder. After adding yeast powder, you should kept it aside. Kept it aside for 6 hours. You should kept it aside for 6 hours and smell it. After 6 hours, the bottle, the sugar solution, water, yeast powder, that you smelled it, you cannot smell it. Why? It is going to produce the alcohol smell. It will give giddiness. When you drink it, when you smell it, you may get the giddiness. Why? Because alcohol will be gives giddiness and you fell down. This will be sweet smell and it will be enjoying smell for human beings. Yes. And which process occurred here when you are taking the yeast powder? The fermentation process going to be occurred. CO2 gas molecules are formed and it will give the smell of alcohol smell. This is the normal general activity. When you go through the beer or wine preparation, that also I will tell to you. They will take the collection of fruit, example grapes. They will collect the grapes and that grapes they are cleaned it properly, crushed with the help of grinder. After crushing, they will filter the grape juice. After filtering that juice, they will be kept in a big container. Kept it, take 5 liters of juice, grape juice. They will add 2 liters of water and they will add 10 grams of yeast powder, 10 grams of yeast powder, and they will add nearly 4 kgs of sugar, 4 kg of sugar, they will add. They will stir it with a stick, and after all will be mixed together, closed with a lid properly. Now air tightened lid they will be closed and kept it for 3 days, and kept it aside for 3 days. After 3 days they will be open the lid and they are going to be separate the mixture. Why? Because in the grape juice somewhat tight juice will be there, no down. They will be separated it, filter it. After filtering again they are going to be add 5 grams of yeast. First 10 grams, next 5 grams second time. They will add and stir it again. Again they will kept for 3 to 4 days. Like that they are going to be add 3 to 4 times by adding the yeast powder only. After 15 days, after 15 days the grape juice is going to be smelled like a alcohol, and they will be filtered it, distilled it properly. They will be sold in the market. This is commercial, no? They are getting the more money, no, with the help of these yeast powder. Yeast is nothing but microorganism, but they are getting the money by the production of alcohol. In that beer and wine preparation, which process is going to be occur? Fermentation process, by using the CO2 gas molecules production. This is about the fermentation activity, children, with the help of yeast powder, the bread making in industry, and beer preparation in a beer and wine industries, with the help of alcohol production. Who discovered the alcohol? Who discovered the fermentation process? Louis Pasteur discovered the fermentation process. And today's session is going to be completed, children. What we discussed now about the activity based on bread we discussed, and activity based on alcohol preparation we discussed. And tomorrow's session we are going to be discussed about the medicinal use of microorganisms. We are going to be discussed. And in the last class we discussed the types of bacteria, no, that you should be draw it properly and learn how to draw the diagrams properly. Also you should be learned, and that examples you should be spelled it properly. Okay, thank you children.